It's Wednesday, September 25th, 2024, and I'm Dave Sobel. Three things to know today. Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI all announce new AI enhancements. AWS taps Intel for custom AI chips in a major win amid semiconductor industry shifts. And Broadcom counters AT&T's claims over VMware support amid their shift to a subscription model. This is the business of tech. I noted product announcements seemingly from every major player in AI. Amazon has launched Project Amelia, a generative AI-powered personal assistant designed to help sellers streamline their business by providing tailored insights and advice. Initially available in the US, Amelia will assist with knowledge-based questions, business status updates, and issue resolution, with plans for future enhancements to address more complex challenges. The technology aims to learn from individual sellers' needs to deliver personalized support, and is expected to evolve as more sellers interact with it. Now, Google Cloud has integrated Gemini AI into its Workspace offering and launched a new customer engagement suite and a security advisor toolkit. The integration allows Workspace users to benefit from AI while maintaining privacy and security. The Customer Engagement Suite combines contact center AI with generative AI for enhanced customer service, and the Security Toolkit provides tailored cybersecurity insights and recommendations for organizations. Google Cloud has launched new Gemini models, including Gemini 1.5 Flash and Pro, featuring a 2 million context window and AI agents aimed at enhancing customer engagement. The updates focus on integrating generative AI across various applications, with a particular emphasis on improving customer experience through natural interactions. OpenAI is expanding access to its advanced voice mode for ChatGPT, which allows users to interact more naturally by interrupting responses and adjusting to emotional tones. Initially available to a limited group due to safety concerns, it will now be rolled out to Plus and Teams users, with plans for Enterprise and EDU tiers to follow. The update includes new voices and improved pronunciation, but is not yet available in certain regions, including the EU and UK. Safety measures have been implemented, but the model remains closed source, limiting independent evaluation. And Microsoft has introduced a new correction feature in Azure AI that automatically detects and rewrites inaccuracy in AI outputs by comparing them with source material. While this tool aims to enhance AI accuracy by identifying mistakes before users see them, experts caution that it may not be fully reliable, as it still relies on language models that can make errors. And here's an implementation to consider. Nevada plans to implement a Google Generative AI system to assist in deciding unemployment appeals, aiming to expedite the process significantly. While the AI will analyze hearing transcripts and provide recommendations, human referees will still review decisions to ensure accuracy. Concerns have been raised about the potential for automation bias and the accuracy of AI-generated recommendations, especially given past issues with incorrect claims during the pandemic. The success of this initiative hinges on careful monitoring and the ability of human referees to review cases thoroughly. Why do we care? The consistent theme across these announcements is using AI to augment human capabilities rather than replace them. This approach should guide how IT services position AI solutions to their clients, highlighting enhanced efficiency and decision support rather than fully autonomous systems. The announcements reflect a focus on embedding AI deeper into core business and operational processes. IT providers should focus on developing expertise in integrating generative AI into client environments, emphasizing personalization, accuracy, and security. This is best done through governance frameworks and likely will require data management as a prerequisite. I made a prediction years ago about voice becoming a new UI paradigm. To date, I've been wrong here. Perhaps I was just very early. Moving data between storage platforms used to be slow, complicated, and challenging. MoveBot changed that with a simple data migration tool that just works. Migrate files, emails, contacts, and calendars with MoveBot. MoveBot supports over 30 platforms, including on-prem file servers. Start moving data in minutes using the intuitive web interface, with no infrastructure setup or management required. Listeners can get 25% off. Visit movebot.io/MSP Radio to learn more. With all the talk lately about Intel, I wanted to highlight a win on their part. AWS has entered into a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar partnership with Intel to develop custom AI chips, enhancing AI application performance and strengthening the U.S. semiconductor supply chain. This collaboration will produce an AI fabric chip on Intel's advanced 18A process and a custom Xeon 6 chip, while AWS plans to invest $7.8 billion to expand data center operations in Ohio. The partnership aims to leverage AI's semiconductor expertise and AWS's cloud infrastructure to meet the growing demand for AI and machine learning workloads in cloud computing. This is all amidst stories of Qualcomm considering a bid for Intel, raising concerns due to Intel's dual role in chip design and manufacturing, which contrasts with Qualcomm's design-only focus. Analysts express skepticism about the potential deal, citing risks and uncertainties, particularly regarding Intel's manufacturing capabilities. Why do we care? The AWS-Intel partnership represents a crucial strategic win for Intel, enhancing its relevance in AI chip manufacturing and signaling a commitment to supporting the U.S. semiconductor industry. Will it be enough? I'm skeptical, and your opinion is the key answer here. Broadcom has countered AT&T's legal claims regarding VMware support, asserting that AT&T opted out of support services despite prior warnings about licensing changes. Broadcom argues that AT&T is attempting to enforce outdated licensing terms while it has transitioned to a subscription model. The court has allowed Broadcom to extend support for AT&T's VMware deployments until October 21st, as AT&T faces rising costs and the need to adopt to a new service model following Broadcom's acquisition of VMware. Why do we care? The popcorn watching emoji goes right here. Broadcom's response to AT&T's legal claims reflects a broader tension in the IT industry as vendors push subscription models, often at the expense of customer goodwill. Position your MSP as a trusted advisor by providing services to help your clients understand and negotiate vendor contracts, ensuring they are not locked into unfavorable terms. You want to be on the side of the customer. In cases where clients face significant cost increases or unfavorable terms, explore and present alternative solutions that could offer better value or lower costs, even if it involves transitioning away from incumbent vendors. Be the protector of their revenue and their cash. Thanks for listening. Today is National Daughters Day, it's National Lobster Day, it's National Comic Book Day, which is one I love, and National Cooking Day, which my wife loves. And those with only one, it's National One-Hit Wonder Day, it's National Quesadilla Day, and National Roadkill Day. Let's not combine that with anything. I'll be doing 2 live broadcasts as part of SMB Tech Fest on October 17th and 18th, so make sure to sign up and join the event. smbtechfest.com/go/Sobel with link in the show notes. And if you got a comment or a thought on a story, put it in the comments if you're on YouTube, or reach out on LinkedIn if you're listening to the podcast. I will talk to you again tomorrow. The Business of Tech is written and produced by me, Dave Sobel, under ethics guidelines posted at businessof.tech. If you like the content, please make sure to hit that like button, follow, or subscribe. It's free and easy and the best way to support the show and help us grow. You can also check out our Patreon, where you can join the Business of Tech community at patreon.com/MSP Radio, or buy our Why Do We Care merch at businessof.tech. Finally, if you're interested in advertising on the show, visit mspradio.com/engage. Once again, thanks for listening to me, and I will talk to you again on our next episode of The Business of Tech.
Part of the MSP Radio Network.